Two leaders in email marketing, Drip and Campaign Monitor, are both trusted by thousands. But which one truly delivers for 2025? On the left, Drip, the e-commerce, email, and SMS powerhouse. On the right, Campaign Monitor, renowned for beautiful emails and creative brands. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters. Each key category gets scored, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. All right, here's our mind map for today's showdown. We'll cover pricing, automation features, email design, integrations, customer support, analytics, e-commerce skills, and of course, just how easy each platform is to use. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, pricing and plans. So Drip's kinda laser focused on e-commerce, meaning the pricing's tailored for online stores, and honestly, it's super transparent. But hey, no free plan. Which, not gonna lie, is a bit of a letdown if you're just starting out. Also, if you're outside the e-commerce bubble, it's probably not your best bet. Now, Campaign Monitor kicks off at only $9 a month, which sounds sweet if you don't have many contacts. Their platform scales pretty wide, but keep an eye out. Prices climb fast if your list blows up. And some cooler features gotta pay for the higher tiers. For versatility and transparency, Drip kinda edges it out here. Next, automation and workflows. Oh, and here's something cool. Drip packs some seriously advanced e-commerce triggers and lets you go wild with personalized stuff. Deep segmentation. You can really nerd out. Downside, if you're a newbie, it could get a bit overwhelming. And nope, no transactional emails. Campaign Monitor? It makes journey mapping way easier. No code required, just click and go. But don't expect those mind-bending triggers. It's basic, pretty much. For crazy automation, Drip just dominates. Now, email design and editor. Drip offers a pretty slick visual builder. Plus, you've got your text and HTML editor. It's actually pretty sweet for e-com brands, but I'll be real, getting up to speed takes a bit of learning. Campaign Monitor, on the other hand, is like drop-dead gorgeous when it comes to its templates. It's all drag and drop, super stylish. You can tell it's made for agencies and creatives. It's not as deep as serious design platforms, and sure, it's only HTML if you want something custom, but the design options look fantastic. Honestly, Campaign Monitor smashes it in this category. Hey, quick fun fact. Did you know Drip was actually one of the first platforms to bring advanced email automation right into the world of e-commerce? Imagine how much that's changed how people sell online. Pretty wild. Let's talk integrations. So Drip has over 217 options. Seriously, that's huge. It's basically built for plugging into all your favorite e-commerce platforms. But heads up, you'll have to roll up your sleeves for a bit of setup. Campaign Monitor boasts over 100 integrations, which covers all your main marketing tools. But if you're an e-commerce fanatic, it's not quite as extensive. For integrations, Drip is just next level.
How about customer support? Drip's got you covered with email, phone, in-app chat, and a knowledge base. Honestly, it feels like they rolled out the red carpet. Campaign Monitor offers email, in-app, and a knowledge base too, but support hours can be kinda limited. So if you need help fast, Drip is probably your best shot. Analytics and reporting, anyone? Drip brings those detailed e-commerce stats, like you can track exactly what people bought, not just who clicked. It's pretty solid. But Campaign Monitor, let's give it credit, has really good analytics too, plus A/B testing. Both offer some heavy lifting here, so you know what? This one's honestly a tie. Moving to e-commerce capabilities, Drip is the real deal here. Deep integrations, personalized recommendations, and behavioral targeting that'll make any online store owner smile. It's all there. Campaign Monitor does a fine job with basic support for e-commerce, but let's be real. It's not a specialized tool for online shops. No contest, Drip easily wins. Last, ease of use. Drip's interface is super modern, looks great, but if you're new, there's a learning curve for sure. Campaign Monitor, the onboarding's smooth, it's simple for non-techie folks. If you want to get rolling without headaches, it's awesome. Less advanced options, yeah, but easy peasy for day-to-day. Campaign Monitor gets this one for sure. Now, if we look at the radar chart, Drip leans heavily into e-commerce power, automation, and integrations, while Campaign Monitor's strengths shine bright in email design and just how friendly it is for beginners.
So here's the bottom line. Drip is totally the go-to for e-commerce brands who want crazy good automations and tight store integrations. Meanwhile, Campaign Monitor absolutely rocks for designers, agencies, and anyone who wants beautiful emails without sweating the tech. That drag and drop builder is a lifesaver. It all depends on your vibe, honestly. Found this helpful? Go ahead and check out more of our marketing tool comparisons to find the one that fits you perfectly.